Hey, I'm just south of the strip today. Got a $424,000 3-bedroom single-story house behind me. Let's flip the camera and let's take a look. All right, let's go. Everyone knows the story, one take. We're gonna walk through. Before we do, let's do a quick pan. So no HOA here in this Las Vegas community, just minutes from the strip, just south of the strip. It's a mix of 2-bedroom and single-story houses. And back again. Pretty wide streets, sidewalk on both sides. All right, let's get in. Everyone knows the story, one take. So we got a 2-car garage as we walk in. The entrance is a shared access between the neighbors. So here's our front walkway. In we go. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Comes at 1,305 square feet, which is a $325 a square foot price. Let's do that $424. Built in 2000, has no HOA. I repeat, no HOA. And lot size is 4356. It's got new luxury vinyl planking throughout, new paint. Walk in and you have vaulted ceilings, main living area right here. Typical 2000 where you have some of these architectural boxes up top. You know, I love going to the kitchen first. Now here's our kitchen, galley style kitchen, but extra wide galley kitchen with the white tile countertop. Same thing, white ceramic double sink. Plenty of space down here for RO. Not a lot of staining or anything like that. You see the plugs. So you see one has the GFI, another one does not, another one does, another one does not. You know, I'm not an electrician, but my understanding is as long as one of those on each breaker is a GFI, it does the trick. So these are, looks like original cabinets. They're natural wood color, doesn't look like they've ever been painted or sanded. Got the staple press board there with the aluminum runners. We have an electric stove. I did pull it out earlier. There's gas behind it. If you are a gas stove person, I don't know if it's connected or not. That's a whole nother, you know, get the inspector to figure that out. We're not vented to make sure that's all clean. And there's no walk-in pantry, so this home has the up and down storage pantry space next to the fridge. Nice size side by side. Fridge is black. And there's no hardware. Everything is edged to grab. And that is our kitchen. We got modern light up top. And that kitchen feeds out into the eat-in kitchen dining room area, which is right here. A nice long table right here. And I don't think I saw a light spot. Yeah, so this is all living room. This would not be a living room and eat-in kitchen dining space. So this is your dedicated dining area. And look at this backyard. So what's really cool is it's covered. We're facing west here, so you're gonna get some strong afternoon heat. So anytime we can have that covered, and it's even covered with this lattice in front, all on the sides, really breaks up that heat and sun, gives you that enclosed feel. And then out here, the rock. Drought tolerant plants throughout, and then you have that paver center area that has the palm. It could be changed out if you wanted to do something different, like a fire pit or something. But nice central area. Again, no HOA, so a fire pit, all you're doing is dealing with code, no HOA rules on smoke or anything. If you want to have a fire pit out there. That's the backyard. Oh, I didn't mention it, but I wanted to mention it. Both one, you have this secure screen, and this backs up to a townhouse community. So you have nobody right directly behind you. You have a little space before the next house. And that is not a main road, that is a circular road just around that one community behind you. So I would not expect it to be like a high traffic sort of backyard. Let's check the primary out from here. So again, those vaulted ceilings kind of peak right here in the front, giving this a little bit bigger of a feel. Probably about a 14 by 16 space. 13 by 16, my guess. TV would be there, dresser would be there. You got this nice window right to the right with another around to the left. And then same as the front, you have this extra space here. I have seen homes turn that into storage. If you're really tight on storage, you can kind of do something with that. Here's our closet, and it does go all the way back here, just a little bit longer than room length, and then shelves on this side. So your linen closet space. And builder grade here, you have your sinks, original tub and shower, some blinds. There's your toilet space here. So that's your primary. Location wise, super close. South Point is like boop right there. So South Point, a minute or two drive. That's got restaurants, bowling, movie theater, things to do. And then the Strip is probably in the airport. It's 5 minutes north of here. Strip 7 minutes. You're right there. I wouldn't even think you'd get on the freeway. You would just take Las Vegas Boulevard all the way down from where we are. That's how close you are sitting. So great proximity to that. And then the 15 obviously is right here as well. The 15 is the north-south freeway throughout Las Vegas. So great for travel, great for getting to different locations in the city. And then, shopping and stuff, obviously with the Strip. Woo, what isn't there? Got the new fan fixture. And let's take a look at this bedroom here. So your front coat closet from the entrance, and also kind of doubling as closet from the garage. And here's a flex room. So this is a 3-bedroom, could be a 2-bedroom and a den, or a 2-bedroom and an office. But it is built right now as a 3rd bedroom. Those double doors could be taken out, opened, changed to glass, see-through, however you want. It does have this small space that works as a closet. They just have the accordion door there. So that's your flex room. So bedroom number 3, den, office, however you'd want to pivot, dual use, but for sure could definitely be used as a 3rd bedroom. And then while we're here, we'll just come through. Not enough room for a sink, but you do have your dish, your washer dryer here, and in the corner, that's your loop for your water softener, filter, hot water heater with straps go there. No EV charge on this house. I didn't see any solar as well. So if you're watching this video and you're a big fan of non-HOAs, tell me what you would do with this backyard or what makes this house special to you. I'd love to hear it. Also, hey, I'm a real estate agent in Las Vegas. So you're looking for a house, you want to see this one, give me a call. Love to set up a private showing. 702-706-7166 is my phone number. Shoot me a text. Let's go. I'll know you're coming from my social media. I'd love to work with you. That's my call to action. Back to your regular scheduled tour. So this is the last bedroom number 3. So we have a small closet off to the side. Has the double window. It's a nice light coming in. Vertical blinds. This is the front of the house. And then the front also needs another bathroom. So this is the bathroom for the bedrooms 2 and 3, as well as would be like your living room, kitchen, bathroom. Pretty standard builder, great tub and sink. Nice white paint throughout. And a little extra storage down this hallway for linens and what have you. That's almost floor to ceiling, about 7 feet high. And that, my friends, is it. So just to recap, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,305 square feet, built in 2000. No HOA here in this community. List price is $424,000. Lot size is 4356. What do you think? Absolute pleasure having you. Again, if you're looking to buy or sell a house, I'd love to apply for the job of working for you. Give me a ring. As always, a pleasure taking you on the tour, and I will see you on the next.